I am imprisoned and in heavy anguish, yet whatever evil and harm I take, it does not prevent me from attaching myself to joy and giving myself to singing. For a man should not, for whatever harm he takes, lose his light heart and good sense, nor give in to dismay and sorrow. And if the gain is excessive, great rejoicing is not fitting. So whatever must happen to me, I do not greatly rejoice nor grow angry. But still, love, I do not cease to reproach you for your wrongs, not at all, because I hope that you will treat me well from now on. I know you so incorrigible, for he who consents to another's fault and does not reproach him for it will be his companion and partner. Therefore I do not wish to consent peacefully to your fickle deeds, to keep myself from sinning. For otherwise it is annoyance and burden to me, since I am not in love, to apply myself to singing. For no other reason is a song pleasant or gay, if it is not inspired by love. Therefore I sing by force, and to please people, for I want to be pleasant so much that I become my own enemy. For I do for their delight what cannot please me. Once a rightful expectation has turned into a base anxiety, and giving pleasure has become selling, and right has become crooked love. That is why I reproach you in pain and in joy. Loving is a good craft from which complete worth used to come, for loyalty is lost through betrayal and truth through lying. From now on it will be a loss, that your good worth diminishes, and blame rises and spreads because of the base and perverse deeds that your unreason does. For I see how it honors you, that false feigning suitors receive great rewards from you, and faithful rightful lovers receive for their good service nothing but quarrels, pain and sighs. Of the worthy king of Aragon, his delight is excessive, For he is so young and yet so foremost, that he knows how to say and do such pleasing things, that he makes himself loved by the best.